In this video, we will cover three topics. The first is detecting missing values, followed by calculating the percentage of missing values in your dataset. And the third is visualizing missing values using the missingno package. The first thing we do is to import pandas and missingno into our environment. And then we bring in our raw data and give it a name. So in this case, my raw data is called Lobster20. The next thing I need to do is to check my data set to see if there are any missing values in there. And I do this by using the isNull function. So using the isNull function gives you an output such as this, whereby if the cell is populated with information, you get false. If the cell is empty, you get true. The problem with this is that it doesn't give you any perspective. It does not tell you how many blank cells there are for each variable. It also doesn't tell you what percentage of your data set has missing values. So to answer these two questions, the first thing we need to do is to combine isNull with sum. Okay, so here we see that there are 4 blank cells in the precipitation variable and 6 in gold zone revenue. And then the next question is what percentage of precipitation is empty, has missing data, and what percentage of gold zone revenue has missing data. So to do this, we divide the output of isNull and sum with the length of our data set using the len function. And then we multiply the output by 100. Okay, so 3.77% of our data in the precipitation variable is empty. And then if we look at gold zone revenue, 5.66% of the information there is missing. So what if we wanted to present these figures here in descending order or ascending order? What would we do? Okay, so we do this. We create a new data frame. And then we create 2 key value pairs. The first column, the first pair has a column called column name. And we get those column names by typing in lobster20.columns. Second column, or the second key value pair, is called %missing. And to get the figures for %missing, we have to get the information from here. So I'll give this a name, %missing. Okay, and then we bring in the sort values function. So missing value underscore df dot sort values %missing. So we want the figures to be displayed in descending order. So we use ascending equals false to give us that output. Okay, there you go. Next question is, how do we visualize these missing values? To do this, we can use the missingno package, and we can present the information as a matrix or as a bar chart. So to present it as a matrix, we type in msno dot matrix, Lobster 20. The white spaces here represent missing values. The second option is to present the missing values as a bar chart. So over here, we see that there are 106 rows of data for each variable. And out of 106 rows of data for the precipitation variable, 102 of those are filled with information. That means there are 4 blank cells. Similarly, for gold zone revenue, 100 of those cells are filled with information. That means there are 6 blank cells.